Do you know that you can turn your knowledge, skills, or experience into a full-time income? Whether you are good at fitness, finance, marketing, or even cooking, people are ready to pay for your guidance. In this video, we are sharing step-by-step how to start your own coaching or consulting business and make money from it. Step 1. Identify your expertise. Choose a niche where you have skills, experience, or knowledge that people need, e.g., fitness, business, finance, parenting, or career growth. Step 2. Define your target audience. Understand who needs your help. Be specific, e.g., working professionals, small business owners, students, or parents. Step 3. Pick a profitable niche. Focus on a problem people are willing to pay to solve. For example, weight loss coaching, financial planning, or career guidance. Step 4. Create your unique value proposition. Clearly define why someone should choose you. What makes your approach different or better? Step 5. Decide your coaching model. One-on-one coaching, group coaching, workshops, courses, or consulting sessions. Pick what suits you. Step 6. Package your offer. Create clear offers like 4-week coaching program or 90-minute strategy call. Add bonuses like templates or guides. Step 7. Decide your pricing. Start with affordable rates to get clients. Increase as you gain experience and testimonials. Step 8. Build your personal brand. Use LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube to show your expertise. Share tips, success stories, and value. Step 9. Create a simple website or landing page. Showcase who you help, what you offer, and how to book a session with you. Step 10. Collect testimonials and social proof. Offer free or discounted sessions to initial clients to get testimonials and case studies. Step 11. Start with free value content. Create blogs, YouTube videos, or Instagram reels that solve small problems. This builds trust. Step 12. Use social media for client acquisition. Join Facebook groups, LinkedIn communities, and forums where your audience is active. Step 13. Create a lead magnet. Offer a free PDF, checklist, or mini training in exchange for emails. Step 14. Build an email list. Nurture leads with value-packed emails. Send offers for paid coaching. Step 15. Use Calendly or booking tools. Make it easy for clients to book your paid sessions. Step 16. Network and collaborate. Partner with influencers, guest on podcasts, or collaborate with others to expand reach. Step 17. Offer free webinars or workshops. At the end, pitch your paid program. This works great for selling coaching. Step 18. Upsell and create premium packages. After basic coaching, offer advanced programs or mastermind groups. Step 19. Automate and scale. Record your sessions, create online courses, or hire assistants to grow your business. And Step 20. Build a strong reputation. Deliver amazing results. Word-of-mouth referrals will bring consistent clients. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos.